Hi, in this video I will show you how you can enable vertical tabs in your Brave browser. Usually all the tabs are at the top, just like any other browsers. But if you want to put tab at the side, you have to just click at the top, right click, and then select use vertical tabs. Once you select, you can see all the tabs are at the left hand side of the screen. And if you want to use it in this way, where the names are shown, you can use it. But if you want to hide them, just click this button at the top and see only the icons are shown. But if you want to navigate to different tab, you have to just hover over this left hand side and you can see the name and everything. You can just click here, navigate easily to any other tab you want. And let's say if you want to put it back to its default position, then all you have to do is to go here, right click, and then uncheck this button. And this is how you can easily put the tabs vertically in your Brave browser. Thank you.